Today we're going to be going over how to wire a circuit, and before we can get into the circuit I have to go over some basic symbols. This symbol represents a voltmeter. A voltmeter has two terminals, a positive terminal, as you see in red, and a negative terminal, as you see in black. The two colors correspond to the ports that are actually on the voltmeter in the lab. This symbol represents an ammeter. It too has two terminals, a positive terminal, shown in red, and a negative terminal, shown in black. The color of these terminals also reflect the color of the terminals on the ammeter. The red terminal is the 100 milliamp terminal that you'll be using in your lab, where the minus or black terminal will represent the COM port on the ammeter. This symbol represents a DC power supply. The plus terminal in red corresponds to the red terminal on the power supply. The minus symbol in black corresponds to the black terminal on the DC power supply. This symbol is a resistor. It also can be referred to as an impedance. Now that we covered the various symbols of our circuit, let's wire the circuit up. We're going to put the circuit together. Here's a simple circuit composing the components that you were looking at. First, the resistor and the power supply. Next, we're going to insert an ammeter. The ammeter goes in series between the power supply and the resistor. The current will leave the power supply through the ammeter to the resistor. If the ammeter reads a positive value, then the current direction is what we anticipated. If not, if it receives a negative value, then the current direction is in the opposite direction than we anticipated. Take note of this. Next, we want to measure the voltage across the resistor, so we add the voltmeter. When measuring voltage, we put voltmeters in parallel to the device we're measuring the voltage across.